Good morning, folks. Chef Kazi here, and today I'm going to make grilled cheese sandwich for the kid. Okay, so let's begin. Hi, folks. So today, before I show you how I make my grilled cheese, let me give you a brief story of the grilled cheese. Grilled cheese in France, 1910, the Cuquet Monsieur, he had a menu and he put in France the melted cheese sandwich. Okay, the pain fromage sandwich. Okay, this is the thing he did. 1910 in his cookbook. 1900 in the States was the grilled cheese, and the grilled cheese first came 1900 in the United States. 1902, Mrs. Sarah Rurer Tyson, her famous cookbook. So she put the recipe in her cookbook, melted cheese sandwich. But anyway, those days the cheese was homemade cheese. But 1927 till 1933, the guy named Otto Frederick Rohrwieder, he invented the machine how to slice the loaf bread. And then in States, those days was sliced bread was selling more than the loaf bread. 1916, James L. Kraft applied for patents to make processed cheese. Doesn't work out. 1949, that time was already Kraft company. They invent processed cheese. Okay, and beside that, Second World War time, the U.S. Navy, in their cookbook, they put the grilled cheese sandwich. And when the soldier came back, this sandwich became their daily menu, in their diet. But believe me, 1927 and after, when the Great Depression came to United States, people start to eat the open-faced grilled sandwich. One loaf bread with a melted cheese on it, just because of the cost effective. So that's how the grilled cheese born. Italy was the grilled cheese, and definitely was in England. But today, the grilled cheese, what we see, and we start putting many things inside. So your choice, bacon, ham, or chicken bologna now these days, you can put anything inside. That's how the grilled cheese is. So briefly, grilled cheese means 2 sliced bread and melted cheese. That is the grilled cheese. So I try to bring the brief summary for grilled cheese sandwich. So now let's go. I can show you how to make the grilled cheese. All right. So make grilled cheese. I have a 2 sliced bread, one of the flat chicken wieners, and yellow cheese, cheddar cheese, and some soft butter. First, let's take the So that will be the grilled cheese. But now, for me, wow, look at this. So who's going to eat the grilled cheese now? This is my breakfast. Grilled cheese sandwich and one fried egg. That's it. And will be a cup of tea.